Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Guys, when we talk about a man when walks into a room and immediately owns everyone's attention, then it is all about your style and the power of the color. Yes guys, this is the power of the color that everybody is watching you. So in today's video, I will be telling you the best colors that you can go for, especially for the boys that are teenagers or college going. I will be telling you about the best trendiest color that are in town right now and you can experiment with them. So come on, let's get started. So guys, the first color that we'll be talking about is brown. Brown is one of the favorite colors of all the men out there, and if you include tan and khaki color, it can make your wardrobe much more reliable. The emotions that evoke with these colors are earthy, natural, sturdy, comforting, reliable and rustic. In general, brown is more casual. It's the go-to color for less formal shoes, belts and watch straps. It is also very easy to match when you are building an interchangeable wardrobe, so for sure go with a brown color. Next color that we'll be talking about is blue. Blue is easily the most popular color in a man's wardrobe. If you talk specifically about the color combinations, variations, then navy blue, indigo, true blue are the best colors that you can go for. True blue is a very much trustworthy, free, wise and inviting color. Dark blue and indigo evokes responsibility and honesty. Like brown, blue is the easy match also. So when you're going for the base pieces like first suit or sports jacket or even with your jeans, blue is a very safe choice for you. So next color that we'll be talking about is white. Guys, white should make up about 20% of your wardrobe. It sends the signal of being clean and healthy. However, pure white can look a little bit off, so it's a classic in a dress shirt only. But in a jacket or a sweater, you will probably want to go for white or off-white kind of cream shirt. I also think that white works great for polo, especially during the summer, or you can try a white linen shirt if you want to feel really cool, because white reflects sunlight. It actually keeps you and your temperature down in hot weather, so you can go with white for sure. Also, while thinking to give it a try, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get the latest notification of our video and not missing any video. Next up we have in the list is purple and lavender, making up about 2% of man's wardrobe. These colors have a long history with royalty. So when we think of purple, we think of luxury. We also think of mystery, especially with the darker purple. As with reds, the lighter version is more playful. Lavender can be very fun color for dress shirt, especially in the spring season. Some of the other colors that you can go for is olive green. Guys, green is one of the best colors. It evokes the emotion of being grounded, stability and of being courageous. Also guys, olive green paired with black, white or khaki is also a great combination. Other than that, you can go with yellow. Yellow is one of the most eye-catching colors. When you wear yellow, it is the true form of being a truly nice and brightened color. It enhances your complexions as well. Last and the most important color is the red. Guys, red evokes passion. It makes you feel more aggressive, important and courageous, and you look more energetic and dominant. So these were some of the main colors that you can go for. So guys, now if you know how you want people to feel when they look at you, color can help you create that effect. So if you liked my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the latest notification of my video. Also keep commenting on my video. Till then, stay fashionable, stay safe, bye bye.